These days, it is not at all uncommon for an employer to use Google as a tool to find out more about a potential employee. Well, this provides a great reason to make sure those embracing Facebook photo aren't published available. It also provides a great opportunity, the opportunity to give employers the kind of information that will showcase your skills, your experience, and unique personality. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how you can use Weebly to create a great-looking online portfolio without needing any knowledge about web design. For our Weebly tutor, we will be creating a portfolio for fictional characters, mid-bounds James Bond. Having put every knowledge bad guy behind bars, he has decided to create an online profile in an attempt to pick up some actual work. We will start off by visiting www.weebly.com. In order to register our account, we will need to type in our field name, an email, and a password. As we have mentioned, we will be registered an account about James Bond. Fill in the information now. That we will fill in the required fields. We click the Sign Up button to continue.
Next, we have to choose a title for our portfolio and select the type of site. We're going to call the site James Bond Portfolio and choose Portfolio as the type. This screen is asking us to choose a domain for our website, which is the web address that will be used to point to the portfolio. Someday we will want to use our own personalized domain name, but since that costs money, for now we'll just use a Weebly subdomain. In keeping with the theme, we'll select the subdomain of James Bond Portfolio. We're now at the editor view of our portfolio. Weebly has already set up a skeleton of a site for us with a pre-chosen layout. If you look above the view of the portfolio, you will see the Weebly editor. This editor contains all of the tools that we'll be using to create and customize James Bond's online portfolio. Let's start with choosing a unique layout. Weebly has a number of pre-made themes available to use. By clicking on the Design tab, we'll see a list of all of the available layouts. Because James Bond is a professional secret agent who kills people for a living, we'll choose this dark professional look. You can see that as soon as you select a theme, Weebly automatically applies it to your entire site. Now that our portfolio has a great looking layout, we'll next want to add the pages that will contain the information we'll be publishing. The pages that we'll be adding for Bond are an About Me page and a Technical Skills page. We can easily add these from the Pages tab. First, click the Add Page button and then give it a name. We'll call this one About Me. Next, we're going to choose the page layout. We can do the same thing to create the Technical Skills page. Click Save Settings and you'll be brought back to the main Weebly editor. You can see that Weebly has automatically added these two new pages to the main menu of our portfolio. We can use these links to navigate to these pages in order to add content to them.
Now that we have created the pages, we next want to add content to them. Let's work on the About Me page. By clicking About Me in the menu, we can view and edit the new page that we've added. Let's add some information about James Bond so that readers can get a better idea about what kind of person he is. Because we'll be adding a picture, we need to drag a paragraph with a picture into the empty space on the page. This gives us a template with space for a title, a picture, and some text. First, we will change the title of the paragraph to About Me to match the page title. Next, by clicking on the image placeholder, we can upload a profile picture from our computer. Let's select this one. Notice how you can see changes to the layout right away. As we add and change content, Weebly is saving the changes automatically for us, so we don't have to worry about saving our work as we go along. Finally, we'll paste in some information about James Bond. You don't even have to worry about things like font and font size, as it's styled to match the theme we have chosen. Weebly has social media buttons built right in. To edit them, place your mouse over top of the icons. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to type in your social media information. Since James Bond doesn't use Facebook or LinkedIn, we will remove these buttons by clicking on the remove icon. Now that we've finished our editing, we need to publish the site. Weebly saves all the changes to the site automatically, but these changes won't show publicly until we actually publish the website. Doing this is easy. Just click on the publish button. Weebly will ask again for our domain, but we'll just leave it as it is. Since this is our first time publishing, Weebly will also verify that we're not a spam bot. Like magic, James Bond fictional portfolio is now live on the internet. Thank you for checking out our introductory tutorial for creating a portfolio in Weebly. Stay tuned as we will be releasing additional tutorials on the later date.